What if I told you that a simple question, just 2 words, what if, could help you start a business worth thousands, maybe even millions of dollars? That's right. Today, I'll show you how to use imagination, creativity, and curiosity to build viral, futuristic business models that people will pay to see. This isn't just an idea, it's a revolution in how we think about entrepreneurship. So, let's dive into the world of what-if businesses and explore how you can turn wild ideas into serious money. Trust me, I put in the hard work and do extensive research to uncover fresh, innovative ways to make money online. So, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and smash the bell icon to stay updated with all my upcoming videos packed with money-making ideas. Your support means the world to me. It's the best reward for my efforts and helps me grow this channel to bring you even more valuable content. Now let's get started. Step 1. What is a what-if business model? First, let's break it down. A what-if business model is about taking an impossible or futuristic idea and framing it in a way that gets people intrigued. Think about it. Humans love imagining the future. Entrepreneurs, creators, and even scientists are obsessed with what's next. This is where your opportunity comes in. For example, what if you could rent clouds to deliver rain to dry lands? What if Mars had a booming tourism industry? What if homes could float above the ground to avoid flooding? These ideas might sound wild, but they spark curiosity, conversation, and creativity. That's where you can make money, packaging and selling these concepts in ways that inspire others. Step 2. How to generate what-if ideas. To create these ideas, you don't need a fancy degree or tons of experience. All you need is a good imagination and the ability to spot trends. Here's how you can brainstorm. 1. Combine trends with imagination. Look at current trends like AI, renewable energy, or space exploration. Then, add a twist. For example, AI is trending. Ask, what if AI could predict every decision you'll make in a day? Renewable energy is big. Ask, what if we could harvest energy from human movement in crowded cities? 2. Focus on problems. Great ideas often solve problems. Think about a frustrating issue and ask, what if this didn't exist? For instance, long commutes. What if roads moved instead of cars? Student debt. What if education was 100% free but funded by companies who hire graduates? 3. Use AI tools for inspiration. Use free tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Type in something like, what are 10 futuristic business ideas in transportation? Let AI do the heavy lifting to spark your creativity. Step 3. Packaging your ideas. Here's where you make money. You can't just think of these ideas, you need to sell them in a way that captures people's attention. Here are ways to package your what-if ideas. 1. Create fun infographics. People love visuals. Use free tools like Canva to design stunning infographics that explain your idea. For example, a graphic showing floating cities powered by renewable energy, a timeline for how humans could colonize the moon. 2. Write futuristic ebooks. Write short ebooks or guides like 10 businesses that could exist in 2050, how AI could change the world in 20 years. Sell these on platforms like Gumroad, Amazon, or even directly through your social media. 3. Pitch to entrepreneurs. Target startups and inventors who are looking for fresh ideas. Package your concepts as idea decks and sell them for a fee. For instance, an entrepreneur working in AI might pay for your idea about AI-driven education systems. 4. Create viral social media content. Post TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels explaining your what-if ideas. Start with a hook like, what if you could rent your dreams? What if water could talk to us and tell us how clean it is? These posts can gain millions of views, leading to sponsorships and partnerships. Step 4. Monetizing your creativity. Here's the fun part, turning your ideas into actual cash. Here are specific strategies. 1. Start a membership platform. Create an exclusive membership on platforms like Patreon or Substack. Offer subscribers monthly what-if ideas, detailed concepts, and exclusive insights. For example, $5 per month for 5 futuristic business ideas. 2. Host virtual brainstorming workshops. Charge people to join interactive sessions where you brainstorm what-if ideas together. Market these to creative professionals or teams who want to think outside the box. 3. Pitch to content creators. Content creators are always looking for fresh ideas. Sell your what-if scenarios as story ideas for podcasts, blogs, or YouTube videos. For example, a YouTuber might pay for a video idea about floating homes. A podcaster might want to explore what if AI could cure loneliness. 4. Collaborate with businesses. Partner with small businesses to create campaigns based on what-if scenarios. For example, A travel company could run a campaign about what if teleportation was real. Step 5. Examples of successful what-if ideas. To inspire you further, here are a few examples of what-if ideas that have already gone viral or made money. 1. What if Mars had cities? SpaceX and other companies have capitalized on the idea of colonizing Mars. They've turned this what-if question into a movement that inspires investors, engineers, and the public. 2. What if we could rent solar power? Companies like Tesla have created solar subscription services, allowing homeowners to rent solar panels instead of buying them. 3. What if cars could fly? Flying cars were once just a dream, but startups are turning this idea into reality and raising millions in funding. These ideas started as hypothetical scenarios, but they've evolved into real businesses. Your ideas could be next. Step 6. How to stand out. To make your what-if business models go viral, you need to add a unique twist. Here's how. 1. Focus on emotions. People connect with ideas that inspire hope, wonder, or even fear. For instance, hope. What if diseases no longer existed? Wonder. What if humans could breathe underwater? Fear. What if AI decided it didn't need humans anymore? 2. Make it relatable. Even futuristic ideas should feel personal. Instead of saying, what if robots replace chefs? Try, what if a robot could cook your grandmother's recipes perfectly? 3. Engage your audience. Always ask your audience for their input. Post polls or questions like, what's your craziest what-if idea? This builds engagement and brings in fresh perspectives. Step 7. Why this works. You might be asking yourself, why would anyone pay for ideas? Well, the answer is quite straightforward. Ideas are the driving force behind action and innovation. Entrepreneurs, creators, and businesses constantly need fresh inspiration to stay ahead of the competition and differentiate themselves in the market. By coming up with unique, forward-thinking concepts, you're offering them the exact spark they need to fuel their next big move. Your ideas give them a competitive edge, a head start in the race toward innovation, and a solution they might not have thought of themselves. In the fast-paced world of business, time is money, so offering ready-to-use creative ideas save them precious resources while propelling them toward success. That's why your ideas are valuable, because they have the power to drive progress and change. Now that you've learned how to transform bold, futuristic ideas into a profitable business, what's holding you back? The possibilities are endless, and the world is waiting for your unique vision. It's time to start brainstorming, refining your ideas, packaging them into something people can't resist, and taking the leap to sell your own what-if scenarios today. The key to success is taking that first step, because the future truly belongs to those who dare to imagine it and act on it. If you found this video valuable and inspiring, share it with someone who's passionate about creativity and business, and who's ready to start their own entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for more money-making ideas and insights that can help you unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next.